Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to order TransferWise debit card in your home address, and you can use this debit card like your bank credit card or bank debit card. You can upload some money and use anywhere for the online purchasing or supermarket, shopping center or rest of hotel bills. You can pay very easily using this debit card, and that one is amazing. I ordered this debit card couple of days ago and I see this features, it's amazing. That's why I'm creating this video. So how to order voice debit card in your own. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here, new tab, just simply type here WISE voice, enter. So first link is display here. I already create one video how to create account, so you can watch this video, then create account and then doing same process. So simply log in here, email address, so log in, and then need to permission about this particular mobile phone application. Yes, it's me. So here it just simply click here, your profile, your detail is here, card information. I already ordered this physical card, so here your profile is created. You just simply click on that particular here option and then order your card very easily in your home address or any other address. You provide some specific address, and they are sending you TransferWise card in your address specifically, and you use this TransferWise card for anywhere, any place. You upload any other currency on that particular card. It's amazing. Like suppose for example I am belonging India, so I can add this card in Indian currency, euro or some Danish currency, and I use this currency on that particular location or that particular country. No extra charges of money changing. So currently I am living in 3 different locations, like sometimes I'm living in Denmark, sometimes I'm living in Germany, sometimes I'm living in India. So I added 3 different currency on that particular card and I am using 3 different location on same card. It's amazing features. You can do same process and order your card using this card. Options are available on that particular TransferWise application, and you order your card very easily. And after you order as a physical card, you can create your virtual card also here. You just simply click here and your virtual card is activate here very easily. Add some birth date and then you create your virtual card. But now I have no need to virtual card, so mandatory. Before they are charging you as a Danish krona for this particular card, 50 Danish krona and 5 euro, and Indian currency 500 rupees. They charges for this debit card per year. You can use these features, order your card and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.